distinguished chairperson, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor and pleasure for me to brief the outcomes of the 17th session of the Governing Council of the Asian and Pacific Center for Transfer of Technology, that is APCTT, of ESCAP. As we know, technology and innovation are the key enablers to support and accelerate achievement of sustainable development goals. APCTT plays an important role in advancing science, technology and innovation for achieving sustainable development in the Asia Pacific region. The 17th session was held in hybrid mode on the 1st and 2nd December 2021, and it was hosted by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research of the Ministry of Science and Technology of Government of India. It was attended by all the 11 member states of the Governing Council as well as by observer countries and organizations. The session was preceded by the International Conference on 4th Industrial Revolution Technologies for Sustainable Development that brought together very eminent experts from the field and around 200 participants across the region. With reference to the substantive work of the Center, the Governing Council expressed utmost satisfaction and appreciation to the excellent results and outcomes achieved by the Center during December 2020 to November 2021 period. Despite continued challenges of COVID-19 pandemic, the Center successfully delivered and contributed to 6 demand-driven capacity building events in different thematic areas, including 4th Industrial Revolution Technologies for Sustainable Development with focus on healthcare and climatic change, research commercialization and technology transfer, technologies to fight COVID-19 pandemic, and inclusive technologies and innovations. Undertaken in collaboration with 52 partner institutions, the Center's capacity building activities enhanced knowledge and skills of more than 500 policy makers and participants from 24 member states of the region. The Center strengthened regional technology cooperation through technology facilitation consultation, which brought together 8 member states to address challenges of COVID-19 pandemic. The consultation meeting was timely and addressed the immediate needs of member states at a critical juncture. The Center facilitated improved access to knowledge on technologies and innovations through online periodical Asia Pacific Tech Monitor, guide for policymakers on intellectual property management and technology licensing, and theme papers on 4th Industrial Revolution Technologies with focus on sustainable development, healthcare and climate change mitigation. These knowledge products have a wide reach among stakeholders in the member countries. As a decision, the Council requested APCTT to continue its useful work by providing demand-driven policy advice, analytical and capacity building support to strengthen national innovation systems, technology innovations and transfer, and regional technology cooperation for the achievement of sustainable development goals. The Council adopted the proposed program of work of the Center for 2022 and requested the Center to include the concrete proposals on the areas of cooperation presented by the member states and observers. In this regard, the Council also recommended the Center to develop a strategic plan and redesign the work program to bring it into alignment with the current priorities and needs of the member states for consideration by the Council at its 18th session. The Council requested the Center to continue establishing and strengthening partnerships with stakeholders, including international agencies and technology networks to support technology development, transfer and adoption in the region. With reference to the review of the administrative and financial status of the Center, the Council invited member states to help strengthening the substantive programs and activities of the Center through financial contributions, in-kind support, providing national experts and development of new joint technical cooperation projects. The Governing Council stands committed to support APCTT in delivering on the needs of the member states to achieve 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, address climate change and building back better from the pandemic. We assure that APCTT's programs and activities would contribute to the overall work program of ESCAP in strengthening the capacity of member states and cooperation in the region. Your support and encouragement are invaluable for our efforts. Thank you all very much. Namaskar.